With water views and a tranquil location in Warwick, this lovely coastal home has the advantage of being equidistant to both Providence and the beaches of South County. A lush front lawn with landscaping pulls you toward the main entry. Step upstairs to discover an open and fresh living room with panoramic views of the bay and golden sunlight through windows on 3 sides. Warm hardwood floors continue in a combined kitchen and dining room where you can open the windows to let in sea breezes on summer nights. The kitchen's breakfast bar lends more informal dining, while updated appliances and ample cabinetry please the inner chef. A sliding glass door offers walkout access to the rear deck for superb outdoor living. A set of stairs connects you to the fully fenced backyard. Segue back inside and beyond the kitchen to find the primary bedroom, featuring leafy views overlooking the yard and its own access to a full bath and a sleek glass-enclosed shower. A pocket door connects to the half bath and nicely serves 2 more comfortable bedrooms. Function, charm, and a location in the heart of New England's coastal splendor create an ideal modern home. You'll be right between Warwick's Conimicut Point Park and Rocky Point State Park for more seaside experiences. Just 15 minutes away is Patuxent Village and Patuxent Memorial Park for attractive scenery and unique shopping. Experience additional shopping and dining a short drive away on Bald Hill Road. With easy access to Interstate 95, you'll reach Providence nightlife and its commuter rail station in just 20 minutes. For more information, please visit the property website or call Jim Durentis at area code 401-529-2188.